Hello there, it's me, Hollie Bedell. Yeah, one of my new subscribers said to me that I should do something in one of my Fridgeamentaries. I don't know what you want me to do. Do you want me to play the trumpet? Take off my jumper? Maybe? Bring back a familiar face? Hello! Say hi, Harold! Hello! Yeah, well, maybe not. No. Okay, well the reason for this video is, right, I've got a problem. A legal problem. Well, basically, I'm ashamed to admit this. Well, basically, somebody has got secret filming of me doing something that I wish that I had not been doing. And if you see this footage, please tell me that you've seen it, and then I can sort out the problem. Because if I don't see it, if you see it and then everybody else sees it, this will finish me. This not as a YouTuber, but as a person, this will finish me. So please, just don't flex and musical, physical. I wanna get physical. Feel the burn, baby. Just don't watch it, and please just don't watch it, because this is the most embarrassing experience of my life. It's horrific if you see it, but I'm hoping that you don't see it, so thank you. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say really. Thank you for listening. Yeah, but on a happier note, I've just booked my 18th birthday party. I would say you're all invited, but I don't want gate crashers. Yeah, that was it really. Thank you very much. Goodbye. It's nice actually. Goodbye. See you later. Bye bye.